So you'll see online a lot of devices and things that help you correct your posture. And I'm okay with the ones that sort of vibrate or beep at you if it detects your posture is off to remind you to re-straighten yourself. I'm not a big fan of the ones like braces or the backpack looking thing that holds you in the right posture, because then the device is doing the work, you're not. And you have to train your muscles to keep your posture proper. So I prefer the ones that might vibrate or buzz or whatever and help you reposition yourself so your muscles get used to having the contraction and ability to keep your posture proper. Lastly, you need to exercise the extensor muscles in your back, shoulders, more than the front muscles. We tend to work out the front. You see football players, they're all like this because they work flexors. You look at a swimmer, they have great posture because they're working extensor muscles. So their back is pulled back, their shoulders are broad, and they're straighter. Watch the Olympics, you'll see what I'm talking about. Same with the weightlifters, they're forward, working the flexor muscles more. You have on average about 3 to 2 muscle group difference front to back. I tell my patients to work the back side, the extensor side, 2 to 1 to help the muscles pull back and to keep your proper alignment. Hope that helps today.